We need in this country the next generation of critical thinkers and learners, the real innovators of the future, and Cornerstone will really help this agenda. We have the prospect of really transforming mathematics in teaching and learning forever.
So we're going to be looking at investigation 6 today, which is better games. Now, this is going to be slightly different. The games that you've been working on before have been...
I'm one of the assistant head teachers here at Chatsmore Catholic High School. My responsibility is for e-learning. Everyone understands the importance of mathematics. At Chatsmore, we believe it goes well beyond just the maths classrooms and into every subject. We feel that every student should be a 21st century learner. One of the key roles of Director of e-learning is working with staff to bring in the most exciting, creative bits of software or technologies that are available to engage the students.
We're at a tremendously exciting time for the use of technology to improve learning. But we know from our research that just any use of technology won't work. That's why Cornerstone Maths is built on sound learning science principles.
Working with London Knowledge Lab has been a fantastic experience because we've actually been able to find a resource that really challenges the students and gets them to step away from the traditional maths that we've always done and actually explore a new concept that is quite a challenging one to teach.
OK, so last lesson, I asked you to show me the y-axis. We saw teachers who had trialled the resources in their schools, and they talked about their experiences using Cornerstone in the classroom, and it sounded exactly what I was looking for. The opportunity to teach something that's traditionally hard to teach, like linear functions, using something that allowed the students to use graphs, animation, tables, equations, all together. For me, it looked like and sounded like something that would really push on the children in terms of their understanding. In my class, I have students ranging from level 4 to a level 7. The beauty of the Cornerstone projects for me is that it allows all students of all abilities to be able to work through at their own pace and make their own connections. It really allows for differentiation by outcome.
It's easy to use. It helps me understand maths more and it gives me more confidence. But the best part about Cornerstone Maths is that it's so easy to access.
The national curriculum levels, it's level 6, level 7. Seeing where we are on our level and seeing our progress, that's what I really enjoy, seeing how far I've come.
We are a non-selective school in the middle of East London, and Cornerstone Maths has been a huge success here. I think it was initially just seeing how they took a very simple concept and very quickly they moved into quite high-level mathematics.
Cornerstone Maths was brand new to me this year. I went on a training course in September, and then 2 weeks after that I started teaching it straight away to Year 9s. And my journey's been quite small, but it's been a really quite an easy one from one training course straight into the classroom.
So what it's asking you to do is to describe how we
One thing I really liked about the training course is that they told you how to use the software, so that was really useful. And then they give you a nice teacher's pack, which is really, really easy to follow. That because all the lessons are sort of pre-planned, you know the journey that you expect students to take. I love the language that the kids are now using because of this. Some of the questions are quite challenging, but a lot of the children have really raised up to that challenge and are writing some excellent mathematics. At the end of one of the lessons, I decided just to hand out some Post-it notes to see mainly what language they had understood and things they had learned. And nearly every single child in the room was able to tell me what a congruent shape was with a very, very detailed explanation. So the fact that all of them could do that, I think probably did exceed my expectation of that class.
We used to use the portal sort of non-stop just to communicate. I've done activity 3, this is what I found. I did activity 6, it was really good, or try this instead. So it's a really good way to get ideas of how to maybe tackle different issues that you might find going through the unit.
Oh, You're on it, that's it. Perfect. Yeah, brilliant.
It's helped develop people's thinking and being able to actually have a deeper understanding of mathematics. And that's very important when kids want to move on to do things like A-level, because it's not about just being mathematically fluent, it's about actually being able to touch and feel and really understand the core principles that underpin a particular subject. Other kids were actually talking about it to each other and saying, well, we've been doing this really fantastic work. And other pupils would come up to their teachers and say, well, when can we use the laptops? When can we use Cornerstone?
You're the best here. Yeah, you're the best here.
This is excitement for me, to see classrooms that are so enthused about mathematics, to really be arguing about the subject and really enjoying what it's all about.
The mathematical ideas we're dealing with here are really important for people to understand. And they're very challenging to teach and challenging to learn. They're powerful ideas in the sense that they help people make sense of their world. But to understand powerful ideas, you need to build powerful tools.